ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 18-1 संन्यासस्य महाबाहो। अर्जुन उवाच। पदच्छेदे अर्जुनः उवाच। संन्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वमिच्छामि वेदितुम्। पदच्छेदे संन्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वम् इच्छामि वेदितुम्। त्यागस्य च ऋषिकेश पृथक् केशिनिषूदन। पदच्छेदे त्यागस्य च ऋषिकेश पृथक् केशिनिषूदन. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. अर्जुनः उवाच। महाबाहो तत्त्वं संन्यासस्य वेदितुम् इच्छामि। तत्त्वं ऋषिकेश केशिनिषूदन त्यागस्य च पृथक् वेदितुम् इच्छामि. अन्वेषः शब्दाभ्यासः. अर्जुनः उवाच। अर्जुनः अर्जुन विशेषणम्, अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अर्जुन एडजेक्टिव. अर्जुनन् निलुक् च. अर्जुना और अर्जुनी फेमिनिन. White, clear, bright, of the color of day. Ahascha Krishnam, Krishnam, Ahararjunancha. Name of the third Pandava, who was the son of Kunti by Indra, and hence called Aindri also. Arjuna was so called because he was white or pure in actions. Prithvivyam Chitarantayam, Varno me Durlabhas Samaha, Karomi Karma Shuddhancha, Tena Mam Arjunam Vidu. He was taught the use of arms by Drona and was his favorite pupil. By his skill in arms, he won Draupadi at her Swayamvara. See Draupadi. For an involuntary transgression, he went into a temporary exile, and during that time, he learned the science of arms from Parshurama. He married Ulupi, a Naga princess, by whom he had a son named Iravata, and also Chitrangada, daughter of the king of Manipur, who bore him a son named Babhruvahana. During this exile, he visited Dwarka, and with the help and advice of Krishna, succeeded in marrying Subhadra. By her, he had a son named Abhimanyu. Afterwards, he obtained the bow Gandiva from the god Agni, whom he assisted in burning the Khandava forest. When Dharma, his eldest brother, lost the kingdom by gambling, and the 5 brothers went into exile, he went to the Himalayas to propitiate the gods and to obtain from them celestial weapons for use in the contemplated war against Kauravas. There he fought with Shiva, who appeared in the disguise of a Kirata. But when he discovered the true character of his adversary, he worshipped him, and Shiva gave him the Pashupatastra. Indra, Varuna, Yama, and Kubera also presented him with their own weapons. In the 13th year of their exile, the Pandavas entered the service of the king of Virata, and he had to act the part of a eunuch and music and dancing master. In the great war with the Kauravas, Arjuna took a very distinguished part. He secured the assistance of Krishna, who acted as a charioteer and related to him the Bhagavad Gita. When on the first day of the battle, he hesitated to bend his bow against his own kinsman. In the course of the great struggle, he slew or vanquished several redoubtable warriors on the side of the Kauravas, such as Jayadratha, Bhishma, Karna, etc. After Yudhishthira had been installed sovereign of Hastinapura, he resolved to perform the Ashwamedha sacrifice, and a horse was let loose with Arjuna as its guardian. Arjuna followed it through many cities and countries and fought with many kings. At the city of Manipura, he had to fight with his own son, Babruvahana, and was killed, but he was restored to life by a charm supplied by his wife, Ulupi. He traversed the whole of Bharatakanda and returned to Hastinapur, loaded with spoils and tributes, and the great horse sacrifice was then duly performed. He was afterwards called by Krishna to Dwarka amid the internecine struggles of the Yadavas, and there he performed the funeral ceremonies of Vasudeva and Krishna. Soon after this, the five Pandavas repaired to heaven, having installed Parikshit, the only surviving son of Abhimanyu, on the throne of Hastinapur. Arjuna was the bravest of the Pandavas, high-minded, generous, upright, handsome, and the most prominent figure of all his brothers. He has several appellations such as Partha, Gudakesha, Sabyasachi, Dhananjaya, Phalguna, Kiritin, Jishnu, Shvetavahana, Gandhivin, etc. Arjuna, Phalguna, Jishnu, Kiriti, Shvetavahana, Bibhatsur Vijaya Krishna Sabyasachi Dhananjaya उवाच वच धातोः अथवा ब्रू धातोः लिटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं वच वचं परिभाषणे टू स्पीक टू टेल टू टॉक अदादिः द्वितीयगणिः परस्मैपदी विकर्मकः अनिट् ब्रू ब्रून् व्यक्तायां वाचि टू स्पीक टू टेल टू एक्सप्लेन अदादिः द्वितीयगणिः उभयपदी द्विकर्मकः सेट् महाबाहो संन्यासस्य तत्त्वं वेदितुम् इच्छामि महाबाहो महाबाहु विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं सम्बोधनम् एकवचनं महान्तौ बाहु यस्य सः महाबाहुः बहुव्रीहि महान्तौ महत् विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा द्विवचनं महत् एडजेक्टिव् मह अति कंपैरेटिव महीयस सुपरलेटिव महिष्ठ नॉमिनेटिव महान महान्तौ महान्तः accusative plural महतः great big large huge vast महान सिंहः व्याघ्रः like that ample copious abundant many numerous महाजनः महान द्रव्य राशि long extended extensive महान्तौ बाहु यस्य सः महाबाहुः exactly what I have given here. So Mahati Katha, Mahanadva, strong, powerful, mighty, as Mahan Veeraha. Bahu, Bahu, Lingam, Prathama Dvivachanam. Bahu, Badh, Ku, Dasya, Ha, oh wow. It is from Dhatu Badh, the arm. Shantamima Idama Padam, Swariticha Bahu, Kuta Phalamihasya. संन्यासस्य संन्यास पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी एकवचन संन्यासः leaving abandonment complete renunciation of the world and its possessions and attachments abandonment of temporal concerns kamyanam karmanam nyasam sannyasam kapiyogi. This is from the next shloka 18.2 tatvam tatva napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam tatvam sometimes written as Tattvam. True state or condition, fact. Vayam Tattvanveshan Madhukarahtas Tvam Khalu Kruti. Truth or reality, Natumam Abhiyanati Tattvena Tashyavantite. True or essential nature, Sannyasa Sabahavahu Tattvam Ichhami, same shloka has been quoted. The real nature of the human soul or the material world as being identical with the Supreme Spirit pervading the universe, a true or first principle, an element, a primary substance. Tattvanya buddha pratanuti yena dhyanam nupastat shivamattyavadi. वेदितुं विद् धातोः तुमन्तं विद् द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी वेत्ति और वेद विवेद विदांचकार अवेदी वेत्स्यति वेत्तुं विदिता डिसाइडरेटिव विविदिष्यति to know, understand, learn, find out, ascertain, discover. Nachaitat vidmaha kataranno variyo yadva jayame divano deya. Tam mohandak kathamayamamum vettu devam puranam. To feel, experience, parayatta prite kathameva rasam vetti purusha. To look upon, regard, consider, know or take it to be. Yenam vetyahantaram. इच्छामि इश और इच्छ धातु हो लटि उत्तम पुरुषः एकवचनम् इश प्रथमगणीय षष्ठगणीयः परस्मैपदी इच्छति येष ऐषि एषितुम् एष्टुम् इष्ट टू विश डिजायर लॉन्ग फॉर इच्छामि संवर्धितमाज्ञयाते often with potential or imperative mood. इच्छामि भुंजीत और भुक्ताम भवान भुंजीयेत भुंजीय इति इच्छति मूत्रेण मौढ्यमिच्छेत् तु क्षत्रियो दण्डमेव वा चूज इच्छति अदर डिफरेंट ऋषिकेश केशनिषूदन केशनिषूदन त्यागस्य च पृथक् ऋषिकेश विशेषण अत्र पुल्लिंगम संबोधनम् एकवचनं ऋषिकानाम् ईशः ऋषिकेशः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः सेंस एन ऑर्गन ऑफ सेंस ऋषिकम ऋष ई कक एन ऑर्गन ऑफ सेंस नमे ऋषिकाणि पतन्त्य सत्यथे सत्पथे ईशः विशेषण अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम् ईश एडजेक्टिव ईश क owning, possessing, sharing, master or lord of, one who is completely master of anything, capable of, with genitive, powerful, supreme, then Ishaha, a lord, master, with genitive or in compound, katham chidisha, manasam babhuvuhu, with great difficulty controlled, were masters of their minds. So, Vagisha, Suresha, like that. Keshanishudanam, Visheshanam, Atra Pullingam, Sambodhanam, Ekvachanam. Keshinaha Nishudanam, Yena Saha, Bahuvrihi. Keshin, masculine. Kesha, Ini, a lion, name of a Rakshasa slain by Krishna. Nishudanam, Napusakalingam, Prathama, Ekvachanam. Nishudanam, killing, slaughter. Nishudanaha, killer, as in Balabhrutra Nishudana, like that. Here, Keshi Nishudana. Tyagasya, Tyaga, Pullingam, Shashti Ekvachanam. Tyagaha, Tyaj bhave ghain. Leaving, forsaking, abandoning, deserting, separation. Na matana pitana strina putra, Tyagamarhati. Giving up, resigning, renouncing. Sarvakarma pratyagam tata kuvi atatman. This is from 12.11. Cha avyayam and pruthak avyayam. What is that? 1, 2, 3. Some misprint. Pruthak, indeclinable. Severally, separately, singly. Shankhan dadmuk pruthak pruthak. Different, separate, distinct. Sankhya yoga pruthak balak pravadante na pandita. Avitarinasi Bhagavan Svechopat pruthak vapu. Rachita pruthak arthata giram. Arjunaha uvacha. Anvayartha. Overall meaning. Arjuna solicited. Mahabahu. Sannyasasya tattvam veditum ichhami. I desire to know, O mighty Ram, the essence or truth of renunciation, sannyasas. ऋषिकेश केशिनिषूदन त्यागस्य च तत्त्वं पृथक् वेदितुम् इच्छामि. O Rishikesha, or slayer of Keshi, as also of abandonment distinctly. छंदो विश्लेषण. संन्यासस्य महाबाहो अष्टक्षाणि. महाबा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. तत्त्वमिच्छामि वेदितुम् अष्टक्षराणि. मिवेरि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. त्यागस्य च ऋषिकेश अष्टक्षराणि. ऋषिके एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. पृथक्केशि निषूदन अष्टक्षराणि. निषूद एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् अष्टादशाध्याये प्रथमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. There are three words in address case: Mahabaho, Rishikesha, Keshishiva. They are verily commendations which have now grown in Arjuna's mind. As many commendations also indicate how ardently Arjuna desires answers to his question or clarification of his doubts. This question by Arjuna is similar to the one he asked at the beginning of the 5th chapter. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punaryogam cha samsasi yachreye eteroikam tanme bruhi sanishitam. 5-1. This question was about two antonyms, karma sannyasaha as against karma yoga. Here the question is about two seeming synonyms, sannyasaha vis-a-vis tyaga. Obviously, the question here is fairly subtle. Rightly hence, Arjuna is seeking distinctive, pruthak explanation from the fundamentals, tattvataha. Looks like we should take it that whatever questions are asked by Arjuna or on our behalf also, for our enlightenment also. But I really wonder whether the very question could have occurred to my mind at the given instance of the flow of the dialogue. This Gita Abhyasa is study for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachedaha, Vakyamshah Vishleshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishleshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayartha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukha for self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamas.